time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible. 350 V8 power underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the chrome up front. Grill, everything looks good. And also you can see the paint shows well in this one. Nice shine to it. Deep red. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, down in the description there'll be a link you can click on that's going to take you right to our website where all the pics are. Over 100 pictures online of this car. Also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Pontiac Motor Division rally style wheels. And look down the passenger side of this car, how straight it is. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console, black vinyl top. That is a power top. At the end of the video, we're going to put that up. Check out the condition of it also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear chrome looks good on the bumper, dual exhaust. It will come with a parade boot or convertible top cover. It's awful tight. It would have to get out in the sun and get loosened up a little bit, a little more pliable to pull it nice and tight on there. So I just pictured it, did the video with it off to the side. Speaking of pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Check them all out. As we look down the driver's side, again, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a couple little spots maybe where there's a touch up here or there, but I'm talking pretty minute. And remember, open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it yourself to look at it, maybe due to time or distance. Not a problem. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior door panels. Look good. Bucket seats once again up front, free of rips, tears, holes. Also in nice shape, not cracking, anything like that. Top of the dash also looks good. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. It's a nice sounding car. I do know the wipers work on this one. Door closes nicely. There you go, listen to that. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. And remember to stick around to the end of the video. We're going to do a little drive with this car, put the camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride if it will. You can see how it goes down the road. But first, let's check out this engine bay. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay, aluminum radiator. There's that V8 power. Again, power steering, power brakes. Some things recently done to this car as far as service or maintenance work goes. New battery. There's a new aluminum radiator. Tranny pan gasket was done. And new front shocks. Shut up the hood, let's get this top up. We'll check out that convertible top, and then remember, driving video after that. And the top up. So black vinyl top, power top. Functions as it should, nice tight fit. Love the windshield. Obviously looks like a newer top. Hardly wrinkled at all, side glass up, so see how that fits. Rear window nice and clear, free of rips, tears, holes. Like I said, really much wear at all or any wrinkles. Nice tight fit. Need to keep you out of the sun. Maybe dry from a brief shower, not a problem. 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1968 Pontiac Firebird. I can hear the turn signals working, though I do not see them lighting up on the dash. Our factory speedometer does work well. Very nice running Firebird. Excellent exhaust note. Our oil pressure is showing 60 pounds on the triple gauge set down here below the factory radio. Temperature gauge showing about 180, and the amps are right in the middle of that gauge. We do have a tachometer on the column that does not move. There's a little bit of slack in the steering on this car, but it handles great. The suspension feels nice. This is an automatic on the center console. We have black vinyl bucket seats that are comfortable in this car. Our windshield wipers do function. Brakes are working really well. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up currently. Kickdown does work on that automatic transmission. Fuel gauge is topped out. That does not probably work. It's above full, you might say. Great road feel in this car. Whether you consider this a muscle car or a pony car, the Firebirds are kind of light, handle well compared to a few other muscle cars. Being a convertible,